Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing well, thank you.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had cereal and milk.
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing. I stayed home and watched movies.
Do you like to read?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
What's your favorite color?
I like blue.
Have you been to the new cafe downtown?
No, I haven't been there yet.
What's your favorite type of movie?
I enjoy watching comedies.
Are you a dog person or a cat person?
I'm a dog person.
How do you usually spend your evenings?
I like to cook dinner and watch TV.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I go for a jog every morning.
What's your favorite season?
I love autumn because of the colorful leaves.
Are you a coffee or tea person?
I prefer tea.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I went to France last year.
What's your favorite type of music?
I enjoy listening to pop music.
Do you play any musical instruments?
No, I don't play any instruments.
What's your favorite hobby?
I like painting and drawing.
How do you usually celebrate your birthday?
I usually have a small party with family.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I like trying out new recipes.
Have you been to the new museum downtown?
Not yet, but I'm planning to go.
What's your favorite type of food?
I love pizza.
How do you usually commute to work?
I take the bus.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
What's your favorite TV show?
I really like The Office.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I've been to a few concerts.
What's your favorite type of fruit?
I like strawberries.
Do you enjoy going to the beach?
Yes, I love spending time by the ocean.
What's your favorite sport?
I enjoy playing basketball.
Have you seen any good movies lately?
Yes, I watched a great action movie last week.
Do you like to dance?
Not really, I'm not a great dancer.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I always liked science.
Have you ever tried skiing?
Yes, I went skiing during a winter vacation.
What's your favorite type of dessert?
I love chocolate chip cookies.
Do you enjoy going to art galleries?
Yes, I find them very inspiring.
What's your favorite animal?
I adore elephants.
Have you ever ridden a roller coaster?
No, I'm too scared to try.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I find it relaxing to take care of plants.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I love sunny days.
Have you ever been on a cruise?
No, I haven't been on one yet.
Do you enjoy hiking?
Yes, I love exploring nature.
What's your favorite type of shoe?
I like comfortable sneakers.
Have you ever been to a music festival?
Yes, I went to one last summer.
Do you like going to the gym?
Yes, I enjoy working out.
What's your favorite type of book?
I like mysteries and thrillers.
Have you ever gone camping?
Yes, I went camping with friends a few times.
Do you enjoy going to the theater?
Yes, I like watching plays and musicals.
What's your favorite type of pizza topping?
I like mushrooms and peppers.
Have you ever tried sushi?
Yes, I've tried it and liked it.
Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, I find flying exciting.
What's your favorite type of bread?
I enjoy whole wheat bread.
Have you ever been scuba diving?
No, I haven't tried that.
Do you enjoy going to the zoo?
Yes, I like seeing all the different animals.
What's your favorite type of coffee?
I like a simple black coffee.
Have you ever tried rock climbing?
Yes, I went indoor.